Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure iCloud Reminders is active on your device so lists sync. Once done, open Reminders and create the list you want to share. Choose a distinct name so collaborators recognize it. Tap the list, then add people to invite others, pick messages, mail, or copy link depending on how they prefer invites. This first step establishes the shared container. It's necessary because individual reminders can't be shared outside a list. Once invites are sent, set permissions deliberately. Choose can make changes if you want edits, or view only to prevent edits. Then create reminders inside the shared list and use the Assign feature to tag a person. This sends them a notification and ties responsibility to that reminder. Add dates, times, or location triggers so reminders fire on collaborators' devices. Organize tasks with subtasks and priority labels to reduce confusion and make follow-up straightforward. Finish by confirming collaborators accepted the invite and can see the shared list. Changes should sync instantly. Make sure everyone has notifications enabled for reminders and that devices have network access. Syncing can stall on cellular if restricted. If updates don't appear, sign out and back into iCloud or reboot devices. This clears common sync glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched Apple ID or disabled reminders in iCloud are the usual causes, so verify those before anything complex.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.